In this video, I'll show you a simple method to fix Windows system crashes and blue screen errors step by step. Go to your taskbar and search for CMD. Right-click on it and run it as administrator. When the command prompt window opens, type sfc/scan now and press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the command prompt to finish scanning and repairing any corrupted files, as well as replacing missing files. Once the process is complete, restart your PC and check if the issue has been resolved.